Welcome back to the daily drives that brings the world's most advanced machines to your screen. From future technologies to military marvels, we cover it all. If you're passionate about cutting-edge defense equipment and powerful engineering, make sure to subscribe and stay updated with us. Today, we're diving into one of Russia's most formidable military helicopters, the Ka-52 Alligator. As of 2026, this twin-seat attack helicopter has evolved into an even more lethal and capable battlefield predator. Originally developed by Kamov Design Bureau, the Ka-52 has always stood apart due to its unique coaxial rotor system and unmatched maneuverability. Now, with its latest 2026 upgrades, it's more advanced, more connected, and more dangerous than ever before. So, what makes the Ka-52 such a standout in modern warfare? First off, the design is unmistakably Russian. Aggressive, robust, and built for all-weather, all-terrain combat. The coaxial rotor system eliminates the need for a tail rotor, which not only gives it a distinctive look but allows for greater stability and agility, even in low-altitude, high-threat environments. This configuration lets the Alligator perform tight turns, hover with extreme precision, and conduct complex aerobatics that few helicopters in the world can match. Under the hood, the Ka-52 is powered by two VK2500 turboshaft engines, each capable of producing over 2,400 horsepower. This gives the aircraft a top speed of around 310 kilometers per hour, with a range exceeding 460 kilometers without refueling. But it's not just about speed. It's the ability to get in and out of combat zones quickly, with heavy armor and weaponry on board. That truly defines its battlefield role. Speaking of weaponry, the Ka-52's arsenal is nothing short of terrifying. It comes equipped with a 30mm Shipunov 2A42 autocannon mounted on a side turret, capable of engaging both ground and aerial targets. But that's just the beginning. On its hardpoints, the Alligator can carry a wide range of weapons, from anti-tank guided missiles like the Vickers and Ataka to unguided rockets, air-to-air missiles, and even bombs. This versatility allows it to take on tanks, infantry, fortifications, and enemy helicopters alike. One of the key upgrades in the 2026 variant is the improved Avionics suite. This includes a more powerful radar system capable of tracking multiple targets simultaneously, improved thermal imaging, and advanced electronic warfare capabilities. The Ka-52 can now operate in network-centric warfare environments, sharing data in real time with drones, command centers, and other helicopters. This interconnectedness enhances mission effectiveness, situational awareness, and survivability. The cockpit is fully digitized, featuring multifunction displays, a helmet-mounted targeting system, and better navigation and flight control systems. And let's not forget, the Alligator is one of the few helicopters that comes standard with ejection seats. In an emergency, both pilots can eject safely, thanks to a system that blows off the rotor blades before launch, an incredibly rare and sophisticated feature in the world of rotorcraft. In terms of protection, the Ka-52 is built like a flying tank. It has composite armor plating, bulletproof glass, and redundant systems to keep it flying even after sustaining damage. The 2026 variant includes upgraded countermeasures like radar warning receivers, infrared missile jammers, and flare dispensers to defend against surface-to-air threats. Another noteworthy evolution is its increased integration with unmanned systems. Russian defense strategy increasingly emphasizes manned-unmanned teaming, and the Ka-52 is now able to coordinate with UAVs during missions. This allows the helicopter to scout ahead, designate targets, or even conduct strikes via drone support, minimizing pilot risk and maximizing impact. Operationally, the Ka-52 has already proven itself in conflict zones, including the Syrian battlefield and more recent operations. It has gained a reputation not just for firepower, but also for resilience. and adaptability in complex missions. With its 2026 upgrades, the Alligator is even more aligned with the needs of modern, high-intensity combat environments. Despite growing competition from other nations developing next-generation attack helicopters, the Ka-52 continues to be a centerpiece of Russian rotary-wing aviation. Its blend of agility, armor, firepower, and advanced tech gives it a distinctive edge in the skies. As we look ahead, it's clear that the Ka-52 isn't just a relic of Cold War engineering. It's a symbol of how legacy platforms can be modernized to meet the demands of 21st century warfare. With constant improvements, this Alligator still has sharp teeth, and it's ready to strike. Thanks for watching today's video. If you enjoyed learning about the Ka-52 Alligator and want to see more military machines, tech breakdowns, and global defense updates, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new upload. This is your go-to channel for power, precision, and future warfare insights. Until next time, stay sharp, stay curious, and stay tuned.